Hey, what's up, guys? We just got a whole bunch of new packages in. I'm about to be doing some giveaways. I'm about to be helping the community out. Hey, it's going down, y'all. Let's open it up. Yeah. Okay. It's going down. Just got a shipment from the plug.
Did I see Nike? I see Nike.
All right, guys, we got the new LeBron's red carpets. Hey, we got the new Space Jams. Just came in, just brand new. I'm about to, hey, anybody that want to hoop, come see me. I'm hooping all y'all out. Got the 23 LeBrons, the red ones, got the black ones, fresh. Got the gray ones. Hey, boy, fresh with the lion. Shoestrings coming through the lion. Hey, we about to do some giveaways, y'all. It's going down. All right, guys, round 2. We picked up some of these new Jordans. These so fresh. These gonna be fresh. Watch how I rock them babies. Got the purple ones. These gonna be fresh how I rock these. Believe that. Got the blue ones. These gonna be clean in the summertime. Oh yeah, it's going down. It's going down. Got the all black ones. Oh yeah, and you already know, got these Jordans with the StockX still on there. These gonna be fresh. I ain't giving away this selection, but who wants some LeBrons? Let's go.
You got questions? Jay Wayne got answers. It's the Jay Wayne Q&A show.
Jay Wayne, trading and pay. Jay Wayne, he got them answers. Q&A. Jay Wayne, Jay Wayne, Q&A.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits, and welcome to the Jay Wayne Q&A show. On this channel, we talk about how to get good entries, where to put the stop loss, where to put the take profit at. We talk about scalping strategies, day trading strategies, and swing trade strategies, and more. So if you're interested in that type of thing, then consider subscribing to my channel, because I'm your Forex plug, and I'm definitely gonna lace you up. We're gonna kick this Q&A show off. We got David Wilson. He said, hey Jay, thanks so much for your videos. Could you do a video on how to identify a trend live? Meaning as it unfolds or comes to fruition. All right, as seeing a trend line in historical data is easy. So he's saying, like, when I'm showing you back testing it, anybody can spot a trend. Can I show him live? All right, so cool. I'm gonna show you that. Let's head over to the charts, and basically you can see this trend right here. Let me mark it up for you. Boom, you see this trend right here. All right. So the reason why it's a trend, you got to understand the reason why it's a trend, because it made a higher high and it's making higher lows. So I'll just mark it up for you, higher high. All right, so let me mark this trend up for you. We made a higher high, and it came and made a higher low, and then we made it, well, we made a higher high here. All right, so we made a higher high and a higher low. Boom, these 2 points right here, we got a trend. All right, so we got this touch here, and it came back and touched it, and while every time it pushes from the trend line, it make a higher high. So now price comes up and make a higher high here, and then it makes a higher low. You see how it's really just every time it comes down, it never go past the low. So higher high, higher low. Then it makes a higher high. Now we're looking for it to make a higher low. All right, so if it breaks the trend line, boom. All right, now we're in. All right, but as long as it stopped here at this trend line and bounce up, then we just keep plotting it. Higher highs, higher lows. All right, so that being said, let's see what we got. The best way for me to do this is to put it in replay mode, and that's the closest way for me to show you how it feels live, because it's not there, and you can kind of see how the candles were forming. So here we go, boom, and it breaks. All right, that is when a trend line is broken, and you see how it retested right on the trend line and dropped, and right after here, boom, dropped for 21 pips right at the trend line. If you go down to like a 30-minute chart, you can see it. You go down to a 15-minute chart, you can see the retest. You get in and you ride it on back down. All right, the entry was right here as it was retesting. Okay, boom. There you go. So that's a lie. That's how it happens. You know, pretty much. So now you got this little bit of noise. I call that noise. I'm following where the candles are touching. The points are, where is it consistently touching? I mean, you could move it down there. You know, if you move, let's say I move the trend line down here. All right. All right, boom, there you go. So now that's broken. So you see how it happened. You see how I just kind of played it for you. That's how it would happen live. That's the closest way for me to capture this and show you live versus me just sitting at the chart waiting for days and days and days just to show you. That's why we have replay mode, so we can back test and see how these things happen live. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully that helped you. Don't make it complicated. Try to keep it simple, David. But thank you for your question. Keep the questions coming in. I'll be happy to help you in the future. Our next question comes from Giordi Mata. I don't know how to say your name. I'm so sorry, but some of these names is tough for me to pronounce. But here you are on the screen. Shout out to you. You said, how does your MA change color? So my moving average. First of all, you got to understand it's a simple moving average. It's not an exponential, whatever. It's a simple moving average. And then I'm going to take you to the charts so I can show you how I apply it, my settings and everything, and where I get it from. So first thing we got to do is go up to, this is TradingView, tradingview.com. You can create a free account. Click on indicators right up here. Click on indicators, and you want to look for, or you want to type in simple moving averages right here at the bottom. Simple moving averages by Stocks Inbox. All right, that's the one you want. Simple moving averages by Stocks Inbox. Go ahead and click on it, apply it to the chart, and the first thing you get is all of these lines here. All right, and we don't need all of these lines, so go ahead and double click on it. It has probably 10 different simple moving averages in one. If you wanted to use so many different, if you wanted to use a 200 MA, a 100 and a 50, you can do all of that with one indicator, because when you have a free account, you can only have 3 indicators. So you can take up all your indicator room with just moving averages. So they combine it all in one, which is smart. We don't need all of that. So I'm only using just one. All right, so we can go ahead and click them all off. And it's going to come down to just one. And then we're going to make the first one green. And we're going to make the bottom one red. And this is my style. And then you can fatten up the lines. Make them thicker down here. Boom. So there you go. And you can, change the opacity of it. There you go. So now you go to inputs, and now you got all of these different numbers. You got 200, 300, 250, 400. So I want the 50. I want the 50 simple moving average. Boom. There it is. Plotted on the chart perfectly. And that is how I get my simple moving averages. Or my 50 simple moving average to change color. When price is on top of it, it turns green. When price breaks below it, it turns red. If you want to know the strategy behind it, if you want to know how I use it for entries and how to gauge or come up with trade setups, then request that in the comment section, and I'll be happy to make a video on that. If you guys want to see how I use the 50 MA to help find these trades, and how I use it in my trade setup. I'd be happy to show you. All right, but that is how I add my 50 simple moving average and change the colors as well. Thank you for your question. Keep the questions coming. I'm going to keep lacing you up. I got you. Hey team, we at 87,000 subscribers. I just checked, man. I remember when we was just at 1,000, 2,000. 87,000 is just mind-blowing by the support, but I want to get to 2 million.
Boy,
that's right, I said 2 million.
You only at 82,000, bro. You greedy.
Yeah, you probably got a point there, man. I probably is greedy. Man, forget that, man. Hey, we gotta think big, man. We gotta think like BBB, big ball of bread. I ain't never lost.
5-on-5 game, he good. 1-on-1, I'm undefeated, never lost.
All right, so our next question is coming from Bright Destiny 77. She says, "Hello, Jay. With all love from Germany." Shout out to Germany, by the way. I will be out there in the UK again on the 28th through March, February 28th through March 2nd or through March 1st, doing Forex live Forex training, showing you my strategies. I'm talking about London session live, for real live in UK. All right, so she says, shout out to Germany. Bro, kindly tell us what is the best trade app online and what's the best time to make more profit. By the way, day and night. One love. All right, Bright Destiny 77. So the best app, in my opinion, is MetaTrader 4. So go into your app store and download MetaTrader 4. And then you can connect your broker to them. Okay, you got to go to the website, open up your broker account. They're going to give you a login, password, your account number, and then you input that information into MetaTrader 4. I don't use MetaTrader 5. I use MetaTrader 4. Okay, and boom, that is a good app. That is where I hit buy or sell at. Now you can go online and use tradingview.com. That's the one I was using, where I showed them how to put the trend line up and how I use the 50 moving average. So you can go on TradingView. That's a free account, and that's how you can mark up your charts. Okay, so those two right there. Another app to help you with trading is the Currency Heatwave app. Okay, you can find videos. I'll put it right here. This is my Currency Heatwave video. You can check that out later. But Currency Heatwave app helps you determine the strength of the currency. Now, there's many different ones, but that is the one that I use. So in my opinion, that's a good start. I will make another video on my whole setup from top to bottom, what all of the instruments or tools that I use and what apps I use to help me trade. I'll make that a separate video. But to answer this question, Bright Destiny 77, MetaTrader 4 mobile app, and TradingView on a computer, and Currency Heatwave app. Also, you said when is the best time to trade? For me, I think it's 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. or 1 a.m. to about 12 p.m. Anytime in between that time, 1 a.m. to 12 p.m. Now you could pick any little slot in there, but that is the best time, from 1 a.m. Eastern to 12 p.m. Eastern. So you can translate that time according to your time zone, but for me it's 1 a.m. Eastern to 12 p.m. Eastern. That's going to be a combination of London from like 1 a.m. to from 1 a.m. to like 5 a.m. and then New York session from like 8 a.m. to like 12 p.m. So it's a combination of both. That is the most lucrative hours. Outside of that, the market consolidates and slows down. So if you can wake up sometime in between there, you should be able to make some money. 1 a.m. Eastern to 12 p.m. Eastern. I don't stay up that whole time. I personally only trade from 1 a.m. Eastern to 5 a.m. Eastern. All right, and then I'm done for the whole day trading. Find some time in between there, and you should be able to make some money. All right, so hope that helped you. Thank you for your question as well. I appreciate you. All right, so our next question is coming from Lukeman Salim. What's up, man? How you doing? He said, Jay, can you please tell me which app to use? Can I use high leverage by investing like $20 to $30? Please reply, Jay, love you. Hey, I love you too, man. I love you too. Love and appreciate your support. Here's the thing, man. I already just showed you the app in the previous clip. But as far as over leveraging, investing $20 to $30, come on, don't invest $20 to $30, man. Like if all you have is to invest is $20 to $30, I understand your country is probably like, it's hard out there, but don't invest $20 to $30. All right, invest in with $20 to $30, invest in some socks, some underwear, and a belt or something like that. You feel me? Like, don't invest $20 to $30 in the Forex market, stock market, whatever market. It's just not enough capital. Like, that's peanuts. That's peanuts. So I would rather see you invest in some underwear, some socks, and a t-shirt or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Staying warm versus, investing $20, $30 in the market. And any broker that allow you to deposit that type of money is just silly to me. I personally recommend, at minimum 500. I'm really leaning towards the 1,000 or more. Some people say 10,000, no less than 10,000, but I got the skill to help somebody grow a $500 account. It's really, really slow, but I got the skill to help you grow a $500 account to 1,000. But $20 to $30, bro, there is no over leveraging with $20 to $30. There is no over leveraging. So, and plus, you shouldn't even think about over leveraging anyway. Especially as a beginner, you can only invest $20, $30. You have even no reason to even think about over leveraging. You should just be trying to learn the skill set. Forget about investing, making some money. Just learn the skill set. Just learn the basics of Forex. Now you can watch this video right here if you want to check out this playlist about the basics of Forex. This video right here, this playlist right up here will show you everything you need to know. But that's where I would start, man. Hopefully that helps, but that's the honest to God truth. You know I'm going to lace you up properly, and I ain't going to sugarcoat nothing. And I'm going to keep it real with you because I really, at the end of the day, I want to see you win. I don't want to see you doing nothing foolish. So, all right, team, our next question is coming from Ray D. All right, Dela Cruz. All right, shout out to you. Thank you for chiming in, leaving this nice little message here. He's saying, love watching your videos, my man. You're real passionate about this. Hey, this is my passion for sure. I am 20 and I started trading 6 months ago. And nowadays, I'm profitable. Slowly, we'll start to add my 9-to-5 money while I grow the account. Salute to you for that. Any tips you can give me on my journey to my first 6 figures? Thanks, Jay. Hey, I'm glad that I could be a part of your journey to your first 6 figures, man. Hey, that's my whole goal, is to help you. So, let's dive in. Let's dive into his question. So he's saying he's profitable, he's slowly growing, and he want to add 9-to-5 money to his account. I salute that. You know, it seems like he's in no rush. He took it really, really slow. All right, and that's what I did when I was working at in my Office Max days. You know, I quit my job. You can check that video out here. I actually quit my job, went in there and told them. Check that video out a little bit later. But I was taking money from my check, a little bit of portion, you know, like I was adding like $50, $60 every week to my trading account, just over time growing it while I was winning trades as well. And that's a smart thing to do. And that's one of the tips that I would give you. It's okay. I want you to find comfort in understanding that time is on your side. Now, we're not promised tomorrow, but time is on your side because you're 20. All right, the fact that you're 20, you have time. Like, I wish I knew about this at 20. I knew nothing about stock market, Forex market when I was 20. All right, you have time. So learn the skill set. You can literally take 5 years to learn the skill set. All right, you got a job. Do good at the job. You're going to keep the job for years and years to come. If not, get another job. But you can be learning the skill set at your own pace, like an hour a day minimum. For 5 years, you'll be 25 years old, all right, with a powerful skill set that's going to potentially make you millions. You feel me? So I want you to find comfort in understanding the education side of things before you start blowing money or really just start putting a lot of money in the market. All right, find comfort that, hey, I'm only 20 and even 25 is still young. You feel me? Now you got channels like me, J Take Profits, where I'm giving you the game. You got access to me if you join a mentorship. All right, right here, you can see it. Join a mentorship. I'll be happy to help you and show you the way for 5 years. You feel me? You got everything in your corner to master this and to come out of this thing very profitable. All right, so I just want you to find comfort in learning the education and mastering the basics. Okay. And I'm just happy that you're starting young, all right? And that you're not one of these cats talking about I'm 20 years old and I blew 10,000. Silly stuff, you feel me? Now, another tip that I'll give you is focus on one strategy. Focus on one strategy or one style of trading. I don't want you bouncing around from this channel to this channel to that channel, because I'm not saying that the other channels, what they talk about, don't work. I'm just saying that it's too many different theories coming into your mind. The way that he trades, the way that he scalps, will probably take 6 months to really understand and really break that thing down. You know, I don't know how long it's gonna take you, but it's a learning curve to that. Then you come over to this channel, and then he's talking about some other stuff, All right, and that's going to take time, and they don't mix together. Then you come over to my channel, and I'm trying to break it all the way down and make it super simple, and you're like, but this was super deep over here, and this was that, and now he's telling me forget about all. It's too much confusion, right? It's too much. Focus on one trading style. All right, now you can gather bits and pieces, little bits of things here and there, you know what I'm saying? But when it comes down to your trading style and your strategy, focus on one. Focus on one. And I'm talking about for like a whole year straight. Focus on one. Demo for the whole year. Same lot size, everything. Now here's the thing. If you want more tips for you, then click this video right here. I got 3 really powerful tips. You could check that out if you want more, but I don't want to make this video too long. But and I just want to say one more thing to you, because you're young. I really want to put my time into this question here. I want you to focus on one trading session. You're going to focus on London? Are you going to focus on New York? Are you going to focus on the Sydney session, the Australian session? Like, what session are you going to focus on? All right, so when you're back testing in the charts, when you're going over your strategy and looking at the chart, I don't want you just looking at anywhere in the market. I want you to pull up this the sessions indicator. It's called sessions on chart. Pull that up, and I want you to either focus on London, New York, or the other two. All right, but if you really want big money, you'll focus on London and New York. All right, that's my tip to you. Focus on one session, because you need to learn everything about that session, how the market flows during that time of that session. All right, that is my tip to you. That is a really powerful tip that most people overlook. Hey, I appreciate you, man. Hopefully I can continue to help you. Hey, I salute you. Team Take Profits, baby. All right, guys, so hey, don't forget that merch is on the way. This one is the London hoodies. I will be in London. If you're from London, comment below. I will give you the flyer. I will email you, like, let me know whatever you need. I want to meet you there. I want to meet you. I want you to be there February 28th through March 1st. All right, merch is on the way. And Pips Pay My Bill hoodies is on the way as well. If you want more videos like this, these Q&A type of videos, then click the video playlist right over there. Season 1 Jay Wayne Q&A show. You're gonna enjoy those videos. Super powerful. Go click them videos over there. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.